Number 1. SunSphere. Extend your outdoor swimming season with these highly sought-after heating systems. Despite their $126 price tag, the investment is worthwhile, given the cost-saving aspect of harnessing free solar energy. One such excellent option is the Cocky Cops heater, capable of warming up to 10 cubic meters of water by 0.7 degrees Celsius in just 10 hours. Weighing around 7 kilograms, it's easy to assemble. The generated heat is effectively shielded from the wind, enhancing its overall efficiency. Don't miss out on this deal to enjoy a prolonged swimming season with a cost-effective and efficient heating solution, making the most of solar power for your outdoor pool enjoyment. Number 2. Smart Coop. It's remarkable how advancements have reached every aspect, even impacting the intelligence of chickens. The Coop Team model stands out with its clever design. Employing AI algorithms, cameras, and sound sensors, it keenly observes the bird's behavior and relays updates to the owner's smartphone, ensuring they stay informed about their feathered friends' well-being. Should the birds appear less content, the Coop provides suggestions to enhance their happiness. Equipped with a built-in heating system, the doors of the coop open and close automatically. Each coop can comfortably house 4 to 6 birds, with a pricing range starting at $11,995. Experience the innovative features of the Coop Team model for a connected and well-cared-for poultry environment. Number 3. EVA. This versatile washing machine can be easily installed in various locations, fitting into cupboards and eliminating the need for water connections. With compact dimensions of approximately 1.1 meters in width and 60 centimeters in height, it's a space-efficient solution. The washing and drying cycle completes in around 90 minutes, and the machine can handle up to 3.6 kilograms of laundry at a time. Simply fill the 10-liter removable container from the tap for convenience. Its design may evoke memories of the movie WALL-E, perhaps influencing its name, Eva. Regardless, this practical washing machine is competitively priced at around $800, offering an accessible and efficient laundry solution with a touch of futuristic aesthetics. Number 4. Raindrop Gutter Guard. While some individuals focus on upgrading devices and chicken coops, others are dedicated to enhancing gutter systems. Take Raindrop, for example, offering hassle-free gutters that demand zero maintenance. These gutters go beyond being dangerous-proof. They are self-cleaning. With a diameter of up to 25 centimeters, they utilize the sun's heat during winter to melt snow and ice at the roof's edge. In regions with heavy rainfall, the team recommends gutters featuring drainage holes 4 times larger than usual. To sweeten the deal, Raindrop provides a 20-year warranty. A contented customer attests that their house's gutters remained clean even after 11 years, highlighting the enduring effectiveness of this innovative gutter solution. Number 5. Yale Smart Delivery Box. In 2021, Amazon reported a staggering 49 million instances of package theft among U.S. residents, prompting the coining of a special term for these thieves: porch pirates. In response, protected parcel boxes, such as those by Yale, are witnessing high demand. Priced at $280, these boxes feature Wi-Fi connectivity, enabling remote opening via smartphone. An alternative version includes a keypad for added security. The largest box boasts dimensions of 71 centimeters in width and 61 centimeters in height, offering ample space. Users can even insert a cooling element inside, and these boxes seamlessly integrate into smart home systems. As a proactive solution to the rising concern of package theft, these advanced parcel boxes provide security and convenience to consumers willing to invest in safeguarding their delivered goods. Number 6. Kinkola. Have you ever witnessed videos of trash cans being blown down the street by the wind? Sometimes the design of these bins is so unfortunate that even strayed animals can easily knock them over. Fortunately, there's now a solution called Kenkoala. This stabilizer not only enhances the tank's stability, but also secures its lid. The design is patented, and although it comes unassembled, the manufacturer ensures that the assembly process is straightforward. Additionally, it's compatible with many containers, ranging from 132 to 363 liters. You can acquire this stabilizer for $179, providing a practical and effective solution to prevent your trash can from being knocked over, even in windy conditions. Number 7. Air Home. Ventilation systems are gaining increasing attention, and the high-end Air Home system is a notable example. Capable of circulating air at a rate of 350 cubic meters per hour, homeowners have the flexibility to adjust ventilation strength in different areas of their house. The Air Home system not only introduces fresh air, but also expels stale air, eliminating harmful substances. Remarkably, it operates at a noise level of approximately 38 decibels, quieter than many computers. Another advantage lies in its compatibility with the widely used Modbus RTU protocol, simplifying integration with other home systems. Explore the benefits of the Air Home system for efficient and customizable home ventilation. Number 8. Marstech B2000 500. Enhance your solar shades and verandas with MTE's energy storage systems. Some versions are remarkably compact, fitting seamlessly on your balcony. Take the MTE B2000 500, for instance, offering a substantial 6,720 watt-hours capacity. Installation is a breeze, taking just 15 minutes. The MTE B2000 500, with its 2240-watt capacity, is available at the cost of $1,266. These systems are a convenient and efficient addition to your renewable energy setup, providing a reliable source of stored energy to complement your solar solutions. Upgrade your space with MTE's compact and affordable energy storage options, ensuring a sustainable and uninterrupted power supply for your needs. Number 9. Cafe Appliances Kitchen Hub. This intelligent kitchen hood goes beyond the conventional by suggesting new recipes directly on its 27-inch touchscreen. It runs on the Android platform, providing access to a myriad of apps. If you need a break from cooking, you can engage in video chats using the multiple cameras integrated into the hood. Additionally, you can handle tasks such as sending emails, listening to music, or checking tomorrow's weather with the Voice Assistant Plus. With an impressive air-moving capacity of 17 cubic meters per minute, it efficiently circulates air. You can acquire this feature-packed kitchen hood for $948. If you're interested, the equally intelligent stove with an oven is available separately for $5,000. Number 10. AutoSpout. In 2015, the founder of AutoSpout acquired a residence. A few years later, the house experienced flooding caused by a malfunctioning rainwater drainage system. In response, the founder established a company to develop an innovative solution, now visible on your screen. This distinctive gutter extension operates without the need for electricity, batteries, smart home connections, or any other complexities. During rainfall, the extension automatically lowers itself in sync with the water flow and returns to an upright position once the rain subsides. This mechanism effectively redirects water approximately 1.5 meters away from the house. The extension features drainage holes that prevent issues like ice buildup or mold. You can purchase one of these extensions for $60.